coming undone, but this guy taught me not to get sprung. At first he come to work with flowers, necklaces, diamonds, and our relationship was higher than towers. Then it went sour. How a countryman could two-time me is beyond my belief. I'm number one, my Benelli gun will show you what I'm talking about. I'm about getting even, riding around this very evening, looking around for that heathen. Well, either one of them will do. I was ready to say I do. Now I wanna cut him every way but loose. I'm red hot, you can see my fumes. Don't like no match, this ain't perfume. I ain't a prophet, no, this isn't a guess. You're 3.5 inches from being laid to rest. All the damage you did can't be undone. Can't hide no matter how fast you run. Your name is on the bullet in my gun. I got a trigger finger, watch out, here I come. I remember you drinking, getting muddy on the weekends. Everything was funny when deep.
Now, in combat action, we're not going to do any moving and shooting, anything like that. Go higher. Go higher. Ready too, boy. Look at her. She already. Bring that gun back. We don't walk around the parking lot like that. Ready. Fire!
Now you have to shoot all eight.
Here it comes. Hurry up. Shooting too low. Too low. Are you ready? All right, that's it.
That mud, honey, I've been thinking it's gonna get ugly. They say that whiskey talks, if the late night lies was whiskey's fault. I'd shoot Jack, Jim, Jose, all them bottles lined up down the hall. All that is an excuse for men who do what you do. Steal more hearts than Hallmark cards and leave our house and leave them in our yard. I'm in my backyard with a target full of holes. I smile when I take aim, my beat is set on your nose. Why that picture of you at the creek, catching them catfish explodes. I got my practice in, it's time to throw it in my truck and go. I'm getting tired of you messing around. When I see your ass, I'm gonna lay you down. All the damage you did can't be undone.